I have this Sony CyberShot camera that was given to me by a shop owner in Hong Kong in 2014. So almost 11 years ko na rin siyang hawak. Kaso nasira kasi yung battery. So ito may nahanap ako sa online shop which is itong battery and charger na rin siya. So ito ay na-unbox ko na siya. Hoping na, buti na lang meron silang binibentang mga ganito. Kaya pwede mo pa rin magamit yung mga digicam, di ba? So, ito na yung charger. Ayan siya. Tapos nakaseparate din yung connector. And then, ito naman yung battery na Sony. With casing na rin ito. Ayan, so tapos na ako mag-unbox. So, we're going to try it out. We're going to try to charge and then put it in the camera. Yarn. This is the camera. And as you can see, medyo perfect condition pa siya. So, ayan, nailagay na natin. Final reveal if it works. Ayun, so gumagana naman siya. So, order na kayo.